Yeah. Oh, you already know what we gonna do. Hey. Well, if you guessing it's me, you guessed correctly. I just stay with a stallion. You would swear I was an equestrian. I'm a hitter with that pipe, call that Nancy Kerrigan. Stay on the greenest greens, call us vegetarians. You be on that minor league, but we smoke professionally. I do my job exceptionally, on point like a decimalist. The way I ride on the beat, man, I beat up the street, it's done so effortlessly. Yeah, so these niggas can't sleep on me, there's no inception in this bitch. I'm top chef, you top rum, and I'm top shelf. No last call, tell the bartender what you got left. Pour it up, don't stop there. Hold your cup, take a shot, yeah. All night we celebrate, cause we everywhere and you not there. Ha. All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out. That's all we do, that's all we do. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds, yeah. All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out. That's all we do. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. Strange clouds.
Blue jeans, I'm faded, minding my own data, smoking on that strong, that Arnold Schwarzenegger. Essentially, you bitch, you hot as an igloo. Kick back on that Glock, call that jujitsu. Hello world, I'm with a yellow girl, number 2 pencil. These rappers is washed up, spin cycle, rinse you, my nigga. All day, all night, half pipe. I dive in that pussy, yeah, I belly flop, I jackknife and shit. Tell my homies that I say it's a party. Yeah, got that tech for technical difficulties. I'm top dog, you top rhyming, I'm top dog. Pyru, gangsters, outlaws.
All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out. That's all we do. That's all we do. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out.
B.O.B. fuck with me.
And all we do is light it up all night. All you see is strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Well, ain't no question, yes, it's B.O.B., yes, definitely. Up in the studio, I got all my necessities. If you want that real shit, you made the right selection. I'm Decatur till I die. Yes, I rep that definitely. They say I'm a celebrity. What the fuck's a celebrity? I guess I must invest in the proper form of protection. And I say it's a curse, but it's still mostly a blessing. To a nigga from the hood trying to aim for the top, I didn't even need no directions. I just wake up and then I roll up the perk. But these niggas wake up on my dick, at least have some breakfast first. Nigga, keep your nourishment first and your mind on my lyrics, cause what you hoping to accomplish, I already did it, bitch. All we do is pour it up all night, drinks out. That's how we do, that's how we do, that's how we do. And all we do is light it up all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. All we do is pour it up all night, drinks out. That's how we do, that's how we do. And all we do is light it up all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds.
I hope the guy decides to talk through if the people decide to walk with them, regardless of pitchfork, cosigns I've jumped. Make sure the sound man doesn't cock block the drums with a snare, knock the air right out of your lungs. And those words be the oxygen. Just breathe, amen. Regardless, I'ma say it. Felt like I got signed the day that I got an agent. Got an iTunes check, shit, man, I'm paying rent. About damn time that I got it in my basement. About damn time I got around the country and I hit these stages. I was made to slay them. 10,000 hours, I'm so damn close, I can taste it. On some Malcolm Gladwell, David Bowie meets Kanye shit. This is dedication. A life lived for art has never been life wasted. 10,000.
10,000 hours felt like 10,000 years. 10,000 years, they carry me. 10,000 hours felt like 10,000 years. 10,000 years, they carry me.
Nah. This is my world. This is my arena. The TV told me something different, I didn't believe it. I stand here in front of you today, all because of an idea. I could be who I wanted if I could see my potential, and I know that one day I'ma be him. Put the gloves on, sparring with my ego. Everyone's greatest obstacle, I beat him. Celebrate that achievement, got some attachments and baggage I'm actually working on leaving. See, I observed Escher, I love Basquiat, I watched Keith Haring. You see, I study art. The greats weren't great because at birth they could paint. The greats were great because they paint a lot. I will not be a statistic, just let me be. No child left behind, that's the American scheme. I make my living off of words and do what I love for work. And got around 980 on my SATs. Take that, system, what you expect? Generation of kids choosing love over a desk. You put those hours in and look at what you get. Nothing that you can hold, but everything that it is, 10,000.
10,000 hours felt like 10,000 ends. 10,000 hands that carry me. 10,000 hours felt like 10,000 ends. 10,000 hands that carry me.
Same shit, different days, same struggle. Slow motion as time slips through my knuckles. Nothing beautiful about it. No light at the tunnel. But the people that put their passion before them being comfortable. Raw, unmedicated heart, no substitute. Banging on tabletops, no substitute. I'm feeling better than ever, man. What is up with you? Scraping my knuckles and battling with some drug abuse. I lost another friend, got another call from a sister, and I speak for the people that share that struggle too. Like they got something bruised. My only rehabilitation was the sweat, tears, and blood went up in the booth. It's the part of the show where it all fades away, when the lights go to black and the band leaves the stage. And you wanted an encore, but there's no encore today, cause the moment is now, can't get it back from the grave. Part of the show, it all fades away, lights go to black, band leaves the stage. You wanted an encore, but there's no encore today, cause the moment is now, can't get it back from the grave. Welcome to the heist. I wanna be free, I wanna just live inside my Cadillac, that is my shit. And I'll throw it up, that's what it is. M-I-C-A-D-I-L-L-A-C, bitch. Can't see me through my tents, I'm riding real slow. And my paint wet, dripping, shining like my 24s. I don't got 24s, but I'm on those Vogues. That's those big white walls, round them 100 spokes. Old school like Old English in that brown paper bag. I'm rolling in that same whip that my granddad had. Hello, haters, damn y'all mad. 30K on the caddy, now how backpack rap is that?
I got that off-black Cadillac, midnight drive. Got that gas pedal lean back, taking my time. I'm rolling out, roof off, letting in sky shine. The city never looks so bright.
Man, I'm lounging in some shit Bernie Mac would've been prouder. Looking down from heaven like, damn, that's stylish. Smiling, don't pay attention to the mileage. Can I hit the freeway illegally going 120? Easy weaving in and out of the traffic. That cannot catch me, I'm smashing, I'm ducking, bucking. I'm out here, I'm looking fucking fantastic. I am up in the classic, now I know what it's like under the city lights. Riding into the night, driving over the bridge, the same one we walk across as kids. Knew I'd have a whip, but never one like this. Old school, candy paint, two-seater. Yeah, I'm from Seattle, there's hella Honda Civics. I couldn't tell you about paint either, but I really wanted the caddy, so I put in the hours and moved over to the dealer, and I found the car dream.